If you want to hide photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to open the gallery. You can, for example, open a photo or video, and then you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have Move to Private Album. And there we go. This is how we can quickly and simply move a file into the private album, and we can hide it pretty easily. You can also press and hold your finger on the photo or video on the first one that you want to hide, and then you can select multiple photos and videos at once. You can also tap on More at the bottom of the screen afterwards, of course, and we can find Move to Private Album. Now once you hide everything into the private album, then we can tap on the menu at the bottom of the screen, and then here we can find the private album option. Now in here we have this information that sensitive photos and videos in your private album can be hidden in order to keep them from showing up in gallery or other apps. So we should be able to tap on the lock, and then we need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.